Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube. If you want to sign out of your YouTube account, the process is quick and only takes a few taps or clicks. So open YouTube in your web browser. So you go to youtube.com. So once you're here, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Now from the options, look for sign out and select that. So once you click that, you'll be signed out of your YouTube account. If you want to switch account, you can just click switch account and choose your account. So click sign out and you'll be signed out just like so. So if you're using your mobile, so you can sign out of only the YouTube app. Instead, you need to remove your Google account from the device or switch to another account. So to remove your account, open the YouTube app, then tap your profile picture, tap your account name or manage accounts, and select the Google account you want to remove. Then just tap remove account and confirm. So here, if you've already logged out and if you want to sign in, you can just click the sign in button in the top right corner, enter your email address, or you can click on it, then enter your password, and that's basically it. So that's how you can sign out of YouTube on both a computer and a mobile device. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.